In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a client portal in Wix step by step. This is perfect if you want to give your clients a private area where they can log in, view information, manage their profiles, or interact with your business securely. Whether you're building a service website, an agency site, or a membership-based platform, a client portal can add a lot of value. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Wix tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open Wix Studio. Make sure you're logged into the Wix account that manages the website where you want to create the client portal. Once Wix Studio loads, select the site you're working on and open it in the editor. This is where all the setup will happen. Next, look to the left-hand side of the Wix Studio editor and click on the App Market. The App Market is where Wix provides built-in apps that extend your website's functionality, including memberships and client access features. Once the App Market opens, go to the search bar and type in Members. This will show you all the apps related to user accounts, logins, and private areas on your site. From the results, find and click on Wix Members Area. This is the official Wix app that allows you to create member-only pages, login and sign-up forms, and a secure client portal experience. Click to add the Wix Members Area to your site. Wix may ask you to confirm or add it again depending on your setup, so go ahead and click to confirm. Once added, Wix will automatically create key pages like a login page, sign-up page, and a Members Area page for your site. Now that the Members Area is installed, it's time to customize your client portal. Go back to the editor and click on Add Elements. This allows you to add new components to your pages. Inside Add Elements, click on Community. This section contains features that work specifically with members and logged-in users. From the Community options, click on Members List. The Members List lets you view and manage users who have signed up on your site, which is especially useful for client portals. Go ahead and add the Members List to the page. Once it's added, you can position it wherever you want within your members-only page. This makes it easy to manage clients and see who has access to your portal. At this point, your basic client portal structure is set up. You now have member login functionality, protected pages, and a members list connected to your site. From here, you can customize the design, restrict specific pages to members only, and add content like files, messages, or dashboards that only logged-in clients can see. Before you publish, make sure to test everything. Use the preview mode to sign up as a test user and confirm that login, logout, and member access all work correctly. Once you're happy with how everything looks and functions, publish your site to make your client portal live. And that's it. You've successfully created a client portal in Wix using Wix Studio and the Wix Members Area. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Wix guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.